Hi, my name is Phil from inFlow support team, and I want to show you today how you can use a handy barcode scanner with the inFlow web app. You can use this for a lot of different things like receiving your products, picking your products, and I'm going to show you how you can actually add the barcodes to your products first. So I've got a couple things here, some water and some chips that we will go through, and I've already actually added them into my system as a product. But you can see here, there we go. So I've got my sparkling water right here, but my stacks product, if I go to here, stack salt and vinegar, we can see I do not have a barcode yet. So what we can do to make this really easy is on each product themselves, they have the barcode. I could look at it and type out manually what the numbers are on here, like 0604, everything like that. But that would take a long time, and if we've got a lot of products, I don't have time to do all that. So when I'm on the product details page, I can actually hit add barcode here. I'm going to see this little window pop up. This is where I'd be able to type in that barcode. But I can click this little scanner, and it's saying now start scanning. So I've got my handy inFlow rugged Bluetooth scanner hooked up to my computer. I can just scan that, and it's going to put in the full number for me on here. I'll hit update and save. And now I've got that barcode saved to this product. So this now is telling inFlow anytime that we scan this number, which is on here, that we want to pull this product. So I'm going to show you really quickly how we can then receive some products using that. So I'm going to create a new purchase order. And on here, again, just like we had just done with the barcode, I could add products manually, but you'll actually notice we have this nice scan to add button. You click that, it's going to say start scanning again. And as you can see, I've got my scanner. And if I scan multiple times, it will just increase the amount of the product that I'm actually getting. So, and I can do it on this one too. The nice thing too is that it doesn't matter which way I'm holding it. The barcode could be going sideways or it can be vertical. So we'll just receive a few of each of those. We can set a price. Let's say these are $1.29. And these are 50 cents. Cool. We're going to save it. Pay, fulfill. That way we've got everything squared away. And we can do a very similar process then for sales orders. So I can create a new sales order. Let's see, Superman's going to want to buy some chips today. So again, on our sales order screen, just like the purchase order, you can either add the products manually where you'd be able to search them, but much faster. I can scan. Let's get some water. Scan one in there. Scan the chips. They'll both come in. And again, the nice thing with this is if he did say have another one of the water or something like that, scanning it again is not going to add a third line. It'll just increase the quantity again. Like you can see right there. So there we go. I can hit stop scanning. You can put in an actual price. So we'll say $1 a can and I don't know, $1.99 for this. There we go. And there we go. Now we've very easily made it that we've got this this sales order together. Now, if we are shipping it out, you can actually use the scanning to pick as well, which is really handy. So here I'm on my picking screen. I can click scan to pick. And now my warehouse worker or somebody like that could go through, scan, and you're going to see, so it's marked off. We've picked 1 out of 2 of those. Now 2 out of 2 and 1 out of 1 of that. So we've picked it all nice and easy. We can hit stop scanning, save, and we've now picked those and they're ready to ship. So again, that's a really easy way that you can use the barcode scanner with inFlow in the web app itself. Now, I would definitely recommend that you take a look at our inFlowshop.com. This is where we actually list all the different hardware that we have available for sale. It changes a lot over time as we have different products. The one that I'm using right here is actually this inFlow rugged Bluetooth scanner that I'm showing on right here. But we've got lots of other products that you can check out at inFlowshop.com at any point. So I hope this video helps, and hopefully you can share it with somebody else that needs some help setting up their barcodes and inFlow. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.